Alright, beginning of 2024, what kind of products we can start selling? Sup dudes, it's your homie Alan here, and in this video we're gonna be talking about what kind of products we can sell in this beginning of 2024. I'm gonna be giving to you some tips and I'm gonna show you 3 products that you can sell at this time of the year. If you have a good store and if you create good offers, you're gonna be making at least $1,000 per day with these products. So before we get started, I would like to ask you for a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos. Alright, so in February, we have an event that is called Valentine's Day, right? So why not selling products related to that? For example, let's go to the computer screen. I'm gonna show you a product. You can be selling this shirt here, like I love my girlfriend, I love my boyfriend, I love my girlfriend, so please stay away from me. So this is the kind of product that is gonna sell a lot, especially for Valentine's Day. So I know it's January, but you can already start talking about it. You can be already making offers for that. This is one kind of product that is very cheap, actually. It's almost $8, so it's actually pretty cheap. And by the way, I have some tips for you that you can get even better prices using another platform that is not AliExpress, because in AliExpress we get the prices at the highest point that they can be. So with this platform I'm gonna be recommending to you, I'm gonna put the link in the description and in the comments. By the way, it's the platform that I use for my orders, so I'm gonna be recommending to you because you're gonna get a lot better prices for this. But still, here in AliExpress it's still pretty cheap, like less than $8, and it is a very interesting product. It has different colors, it has like white, blue and black, and for sure it's a product that is gonna be trending a lot. If you start advertising it, you're gonna have a huge advantage because you're gonna be one of the first ones to start advertising this kind of product. So it's a very good idea. And still talking about Valentine's Day, we also have this product that is like a ring with some holding hands. That is also very cheap, as you can see here. It is $1 plus the shipping fee. There's like $2, so you're gonna pay $3 for this product. It's actually pretty cheap and also very interesting to sell this kind of product for Valentine's Day. We have to sell products that are related at this time of the year. So we know that Valentine's Day is gonna be soon. It's gonna be in 1 month. So it's interesting that we start selling products that are related to Valentine's Day. And the same thing applies to the next product. We know that in a lot of countries at this time it's winter, it's very cold. So if you sell products related to winter, like for example, like this dog jacket here, you're probably gonna sell a lot. And as you can see, it's like a very interesting product. It's actually cheap, like $7, and it has free shipping fee. We know that dog owners love a lot their pets. They take care of them like they were their kids. Some of them even consider them as their kids. So for sure, this is a kind of product that you're gonna be selling a lot. Like only here in AliExpress with this supplier, more than 5,000 were sold. So it's also a very interesting product for you to start selling in this period of time. So products also, they are related to winter. And by the way, I know that some countries we have winter, and also some countries now we have summer. So if you're drop shipping for a country that is in summer, you can also sell products related to summer. So what I recommend to you to do, I recommend to you to create niched stores just for this moment. Yes, you're gonna be creating a seasonal store. So remember, we have already a video talking about the different kinds of stores. Seasonal store is a store that you're gonna be using for a time of the year. So if you wanna sell products related to Valentine's Day, I recommend to you creating a store that you're gonna be adding a lot of products related to Valentine's Day. And by the way, to help you out, I left a link in the description and in the comments that I'm gonna be giving to you 3 months of Shopify for $1. First month you're gonna pay $1, second month you're gonna pay $1, and third month you're also gonna pay $1. And also I'm gonna be sending to you 25 professional themes. They are actually paid themes that I'm gonna be giving to you for free. So you don't have to use those horrible free themes that we have on Shopify. I'm gonna be giving to you paid themes for free, so you can already start with a good advantage. So if you don't have a Shopify store yet, click on the link below. And if you're creating a new store, also use the link because you're gonna start with a better advantage. I hope you got my idea. So selling products related to this time of the year. It's gonna be very good. So Valentine's Day, winter, if you're selling to a country that is summer, sell products related to summer. Anyway, products, they are related at this time of the year. So I hope that I could help you out. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos. Also, don't forget to comment suggestions for the next videos. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the next ones.